Hey guys, Anthony with the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're talking about the Detail Factory Tire Scrub Brush. Now this is hands down one of our favorite brushes for scrubbing tires and all-weather mats. Now a couple things that we like about this brush. Not only is it very ergonomic, but the bristle shape and the bristle size is ideal for getting into deep tread pattern, especially on off-road tires. Now you're gonna have an outer rubberized protected edge here, so if you do end up hitting anything like your wheel or maybe your fender or anything like that, it's not gonna damage anything. Here on the inside of the brush, we have a very hard impact plastic, and then of course we have our bristles. Again, these aren't so stiff to where they don't have any flex to them. They have a bit of flex to be able to get into those aggressive tread patterns and really give things a deep scrub. Try them on your floor mats. I promise you, you're gonna love them. Pair it with your favorite APC or tire cleaner and watch the results in front of your eyes. So this is gonna be the Detail Factory Tire Scrub Brush. It does come in two different colors. We have red and gray right here. So pick it up and try it today.